Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with superior functionality and comfort for the whole family? Then you've come to the right place. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Journey Crossroads in pitch black clear coat with halogen quad headlamps, black headlamp bezels, 19-inch black noise aluminum wheels, black tail lamps, power heated mirrors with manual foldaway, power 6-way driver's seat, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch display, Garmin navigation system, Park View rear backup camera, 3-zone automatic temp control, second row in-floor storage bins, easy entry system, light gray accent stitching, power sunroof, third row 50/50 fold with reclining seats, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5418.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.